what's going on, you guys? I'm Veggie Rolls. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Sweet Saturday when I post some sort of vegan sweet or dessert. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you guys from Sweet Saturday. We are making a chocolate chip cookie skillet cookie. We're making a skillet chocolate chip cookie. It's gonna be a gigantic chocolate chip cookie. So delicious, chewy, perfect, awesome. Let's get busy. All right, so let's go ahead and get this party started. So I already have half of a cup of softened vegan butter, and I want to specify vegan butter because for some reason, even though I feel like a lot of you guys already know if I say butter, it's vegan butter, but sometimes like I'll get the one person who's like, butter is not vegan. And I'm like, it's vegan butter though, it's vegan butter. So anyways, we have half a cup of softened vegan butter. And I like to soften my vegan butter by just placing the butter on top of my oven or on top of my stove while the oven is preheating. I'm also going to be adding in some sugar, and we're going to cream that together. We're going to be adding in half of a cup of packed brown sugar and a fourth of a cup of regular granulated sugar. And I'm just going to go ahead and cream the sugar and the butter together until everything is nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that up. Then I'm going to add in a fourth of a cup of non-dairy chocolate chip cookies, and these are semi-sweet. So next we're going to go ahead and add in a cup and a half of flour and a fourth of a teaspoon of salt and half of a teaspoon of baking powder. And that's all we need for our ingredients. So we're just going to go ahead and mix all of this up until everything is very well incorporated, but do not overmix because you don't want like a tough cookie. Next, we're going to go ahead and add this into a cast iron skillet. And I'm using this skillet, which is 10 inches round. But it's like 10 inches and then it's like a little bit smaller on the bottom. You can use like pretty much any size between like 10 or 9 inches. You just have to keep an eye in the oven. And you don't necessarily have to even it all the way, because if you don't even it all the way, it'll give your cookie a little bit more of a little more character. And at this point, I just like to add like a light sprinkle of chocolate chips. And some of these are chunks because I accidentally melted them the other day when I put it on or next to the stove. All right, so you're gonna put some on top, and then you could either use your hand to press them in, or you can use your spatula to sort of press some of them in. Beautiful. And we're going to go ahead and place this into the oven. This is going to go into a 350 degrees preheated oven, and we're going to go ahead and cook this or bake this for about 22 minutes to anywhere to 28 minutes until everything gets nice and golden like a cookie would, and once your center is nice and firm. All right, so I've gone ahead and taken our cookie out of the oven, and I actually let it cool down for about 15 minutes after I took it out of the oven, and then I sprinkled on just a few more chocolate chips over top right after I took it out so it could melt over and just look prettier. All right, guys, so you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test cam. We have a slice of cookie. Yeah, it's funny, right? I said a slice of cookie. Look how nice that is. Super, super good. And we're going to go ahead and bite into it. It's like the perfect chocolate chip cookie in a skillet. Done in no time. Super delicious. You guys have to try this recipe. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Also, shameless plug, don't forget to check out my second channel. I've linked it down below. I do sort of like vlogish, more like loose, you know, personal sort of stuff. I actually just recently posted a how I became vegan video because everyone's always asking, and I also just recently did a snow vlog and a what I eat in a day. So just to give you an idea of what I post on there. So go ahead and check it out if you're interested. If you're not, don't, whatever. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye guys.